Our project is BCD other with 7 segment display output, and our project has 4 parts. The first one is the keypad, the second one is for the shift register, and third one is for the other, and the last is for the output of the 7 segment.
Let's try some example.
We will give 5 examples for the addition process, and the first sample is
23 33 plus 33, then 12 1 and 2 45, and reset for another problem.
We will now try adding single digit numbers.
Let's try 6 plus 5 11. Reset. Let's try 4 plus 5 4 plus 5 9.
Sample 98 plus 1 98 9 8 plus 1 0 1 99
66 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 6 66 plus 33 ay 99.
Our last example, we will add 40 plus 10.
Now input 40, just press 4, enter, and 0 40. Then I will add 10 1 and 0 50.